So guys, welcome to my channel Arvind BKC. You can be reached at youtube.com at the rate Arvind BKC, and also we have the bloggers basic and skill.blogspot.com. So today we are going to learn a very important topic in the database concept, that is the partitioning of the database file and SQL Server, which will give the performance output as well as to keep how to can we can keep to save our data as far as whenever one location is going to be something on fire on the database file. So there are the two advantages and only few basic steps that you can save your data. So basically for that I have created one partitioning transaction table. Later you can create, and also you can create the different uh, later on create and populate this one something more number of record like 10,000 and 10 lakh record I have already populated for you. So basically that millions of record how you are going to be used for this. The step one is something you create the partitioning based on the like something you will keep as a transactional transactional data. So basically that transactional data is based on the date range, something uh, something the date range like I have given as a from 1st of January to 2024 to till October of 2024. So the first step is something creating the partitioning function based on the date range, and then second you will create the file groups, and that file group you will do with like say on the database level, like say it is my database as a this database as a book DB, and I have created the first file group. So this file group is something the logical partitioning, and then you will assign this logical partitioning to this physical location. So that first advantage which is going to location constraint, that if one location is going to fill that another location the new data would be going to save. So you have the different location you can save it. So there is something the NDF file network file NDF extension is there, so you can save it either this on the same drive or you can save into another drive. So that FG1 is something allocated on this location. I mean to say this is the physical location and this is logical name. So you can assigning one database with one logical names with another uh, one logical name with one location name. So that location name can be the same or the different. Like say in this case, I have created the four file groups. So you can give the four different location path and different location names. So as I said, FC1, FC2, FC3, and FC4, that can have the different location. If it is like something one location, in one location data is going to be saved, another location one data is going to be saved. If it is something uh, if one location is going to fail, another would work as well. So basically for that the third step, so you will create the partitionings scheme. Partitioning, you will create the scheme for which you will assign over the date range. So basically that function which you have created, and then you will assign the scheme, and then later on that table which you created with the millions of record you will assign to that scheme, you will assign to that scheme. So later either you can create the table first one, or you can later on you can create and assign that schemes to that one. So the advantage about that ones, whenever you will insert the data, that data would be going to based on the range into that location as well, on that partition as well. So the first advantage that is going to be like they are faster. Another would be like somewhat um, they are creating different racks kind of thing. So for retrieval also you need to fetch based on their sys partitionings, because that partition is going to a different location it is there. So you need to specify that specific partition. So I will attach my scripts, all of the scripts that is going to very useful. So please like and subscribe. So this was very short video on that one. So please have any query, you can ping me at Urban VKC. Thank you.